What am I supposed to do with you, Saul? Huh? What am I supposed to do with you? Tell me. So, what am I supposed to do with you? Before I left the shop, you were here. I leave the shop, make a deposit, come back, and you are gone. And you're 2 blocks over, just walking down the road. What are you doing, guarding the territory? You're an old man. What you doing? Sitting back here proud. What are you doing, Tarzan? Huh? I sealed up the last hole. So he's bouncing off the cars, climbing the trees, and jumping off the fence. I sealed up all the holes I could find. No, this is not a junkyard. This is a repair shop. These are spare parts. It's just the leaves have fallen and we need to clean it up. So he's carling on the vehicles and trying to find a place to escape from. See all these marks. And good thing all of these are mine. As you can. The ones in the middle are actually customers. The ones on the sides are personally mine. So it don't bother me. But okay, I'm gonna go home. What's he doing under? Investigating.